Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the card and reader so you eliminate hardware false positives. Insert the card into a known good device. If it works, the PC is the issue. Next, reseat the reader and try another USB port because ports fail. Then open Device Manager and expand disk drives and USB controllers to see if the reader or card appears. This shows whether Windows detects hardware at all. Once seen, we can target drivers or configuration. Once Device Manager reveals the reader or an unknown device, update or reinstall drivers to resolve corruption. Right-click the entry and choose Update Driver so Windows fetches a compatible driver. If that fails, uninstall the device and reboot to force a clean reinstall. Also run Windows Update because it often delivers chipset and USB fixes. For built-in readers, use the laptop maker's driver package. For USB readers, check the menu. To finish, confirm whether the issue is the card or reader by swapping components between machines. This isolates faults quickly. Open Disk Management to assign a drive letter or initialize an unformatted card. Formatting erases data, so only do that after backups. If the reader remains invisible, check BIOS or UEFI to ensure onboard card readers are enabled. Then consider a replacement reader or a USB adapter. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Boot a Linux Live USB to see if another OS detects the card. This reveals Windows-specific driver or configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.